An historic day in America's battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. Good evening. I'm Haley Harrison. An FDA advisory panel has endorsed Pfizer's vaccine, calling it safe and effective for emergency use. The FDA commissioner still has to sign off on it before distribution can begin. Health officials in Missouri expect to get 339,000 doses this month. In Kansas, 150,000. Truman Medical Center's University Health says that it stands at the ready to distribute the very first doses of this vaccine once they arrive in Kansas City. Nurses and frontline workers will be getting it first. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson looks at when you can expect your vaccination.
We're excited about this.
After so many months in COVID fatigue, we are one step closer to a COVID-19 vaccine.
We certainly are all seeing some light at the end of the tunnel, but the tunnel is still quite long.
Truman Medical Center's University Health won't say how many doses they've requested.
Security is a big factor around this.
But with limited supply from manufacturers, they won't get nearly enough.
Initially, it's going to be a small amount. We don't think it covers every one of our staff, even all the frontline workers.
Initially not enough for all the emergency room and COVID-19 floor staff, let alone Truman's total 4,500 employees. Adding to the wait time, a second dose is needed for full protection.
To get the maximum impact, you're talking a couple weeks after the second dose.
Hospitals can't afford to be short-staffed with so many people getting sick with COVID-19 in our area.
We're close to capacity right now. We're not at capacity, but we're close.
It will likely be months before the general public gets the vaccine. In the meantime, healthcare professionals stress avoiding gatherings with people outside your home.
Be safe, continue to wear the mask right now. Take the holidays very seriously in how you do that. But the vaccine is truly a bright, shining light of where our future is going to be, and we will get through this.
Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
TMC does not have a specific timeline on when this vaccine will be available to the general public. Doctors say manufacturers have promised enough vaccines for 20 million people in the U.S. by year's end. That is about 6% of the U.S. population. More than 3,000 Americans died from the virus today. This is according to the COVID Tracking Project. The CDC projects there will be up to 362,000 coronavirus deaths by January 2nd. And newly released data from the Department of Health and Human Services reveals 1 in 3 hospitals nationwide topped 90% of ICU capacity just last week. In the metro, about 14% of ICU beds are currently available. Tonight, more than 1,100 new cases of the coronavirus reported in the Kansas City metro. The number of new hospitalizations is up to more than 200. Here's the spread of total cases. This is since the pandemic began. Johnson County is reporting more than 27,000. Kansas City reports more than 25,000. New guidelines go into effect tonight at midnight in Independence, Missouri. Bars and restaurants will be allowed to serve food and drink between 5 a.m. and midnight. Capacity cannot exceed 50%. Masks will be required in public spaces unless you're eating or drinking. Independence officials say that businesses that violate the guidelines could face reduced curfew or even the loss of utilities. People in Lawrence tonight in Douglas County got a COVID update in a public webinar. Public health officials say that they have yet to see any post-Thanksgiving spike in cases. For now, the local COVID death rate is well below the state's number. They're reporting 24 COVID deaths for every 100,000 people in Lawrence and Douglas County. This is compared to the statewide number of 70 deaths per 100,000 people. And here's one possible reason why.
Don't claim that this is the 100% accurate answer, but I have to believe that in large part, we've limited the number of opportunities for that infectious person to come in contact with those that are most vulnerable. So when we wear our masks, we're doing our part to help people stay safe and just alive.
Local public health experts are also awaiting the very first shipments of this Pfizer vaccine. Ultra cold freezers have been donated in Lawrence to store the shipments once they arrive. Johnson County will soon have a mobile clinic to test for COVID-19 in the community. The county got a state grant to buy one. The mobile clinic will target underserved populations and could eventually help distribute vaccines.